Hello to you guys and a very warm welcome back to another tutorial video here on the channel. And today is going to be an Excel tutorial and it's going to be very short, but it's something I think is going to be pretty useful for you. It will make your work more efficient, and not just in Excel but for some other Microsoft Office suite programs like Word and PowerPoint and the others. So let's get into it. Up here is where you have these commands. That's what you call your quick access toolbar, which just simply means that you put tools here that you can quickly get to. And as you may well know, this is your save, your undo, redo, and all that. And this here is the ribbon. Now you can customize your ribbon and you can customize what tools appear in your quick access toolbar. So to do that, you simply come to File and then come down to Options, and then you can go to Quick Access Toolbar or Customize Ribbon, depending on which one you want to customize. And particularly for the ribbon, if you are someone who wants to learn how to write code in Visual Basic for Excel, you have to turn on your developer option, which is normally not turned on for by default. So you'd have to come and turn this on in order to get access to where you can write codes and stuff. All right, and if you come to Quick Access Toolbar, which is what we are going to do now, the save and undo and redo, these are pretty common shortcuts that almost everyone knows. You can do Control S, Control Z, and Control Y. So even though you have these up in your Quick Access Toolbar, they are not really that useful because you very rarely come up here to click on them. So what you can do is take these off and then put something else here that will be more useful to you. And let's see. So let's say, for example, you are typing and every time you type a heading, you have to go and change the heading to bold. So you can come and add the bold command in your Quick Access Toolbar. And I changed the commands to choose from. You can make it popular commands or all commands. I just make it all commands so we have everything. And you scroll down and look for Be Bold. There it is. Click on it and then come to Add, and then comes here. And you can change the position with these arrows. You can move it up or down to the end here, and then click OK. And now it shows up here. So now every time you type something in here, you can select it, click on that, and you have it bolded. Okay. So, and this doesn't have to be bold. Any command that you think you will be, you'll be using frequently, you just put it up here. All right. Now, the other cool thing you can do once you learn how to customize your Quick Access Toolbar, if you press on the Alt key, you see all these numbers and letters populating on the ribbon in your Quick Access Toolbar. So what happens is Excel gives you the ability to create your own shortcuts using that Alt key. So any command that you put here, every time you do Alt 2, that command will get executed. So these numbers are not tied to any particular command. They are just tied to the position of the commands. So right now, there was nothing here. So if you remove this and you press Alt, there won't be a 5. But now we have a 5. So again, you can type stuff in here. But instead of going up there to click on bold, now you can do Alt 5. The same effect, it changes it to bold. So these are two pretty separate things that you can do in Excel, but when you combine them, it becomes really useful. That you can customize the quick commands that you want up here, and then even make it faster by using the Alt and the position. So I hope you learned something good today, and if you don't understand or have any questions, please reach out to me. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, as always, please do show me some support and share the video with your friends. And thank you again.